Hey everybody, welcome to this full body yoga sequence. We're targeting the abs and the back, but we're really hitting all the muscle groups today, and we're keeping it under 15 minutes. I know most of us are short on time, and you don't need hours upon end to develop a daily habit. For today's practice, props are optional. I always like to keep a couple blocks and a blanket nearby just in case. When you're ready, we'll start. Sit with your legs crossed or any comfortable position. Fold the palms together at the heart if you choose, and bow your head. Take a moment to focus on the breath and draw the attention within. Then lift the head and open the eyes. Lift your right arm up and extend and stretch across to the other side, opening the side of the chest. Then come back to center and stretch the left arm in the opposite direction. Reach the arm up and over, opening the waist and the side ribs. Come back to center, and then change the cross of your legs if you were sitting cross legs. Again, reach the right arm up and over, maybe going a little deeper by bending your left arm. Reach the left arm, lean a little further to the right if you can, and stretch all the way to your fingertips. Then bring the hands down. And we'll come on to all fours to prepare for a couple of cat-cows. Arch the back and pull the spine down as you look forward and up, rolling the shoulders back. Then round the back, look down and lift the navel. One more, lifting up and spreading the chest open. And on an exhalation, rounding the back, bringing the head down. Now activate the core by drawing the navel up and just lift your knees to hover above the floor, holding from the strength of the abdomen, coming back to all fours, arching back and opening the chest. Then once more, with the toes under, draw the navel up, lift your knees, maybe go a little bit higher. Now let's lift the hips up, straighten the legs to come to downward facing dog. Stretch the hips up and back, and then bend your knees, and once more, barely hover the knees above the floor, and then come all the way down. Take a breath. Open the chest and look up. Prepare once more, navel up, and then knees up. Hold for a breath. And then extend the legs back to come to downward facing dog. Relax the head. Walk your feet forward to Uttanasana. Stretch the chest forward. And then release the side body down. You can have your hands on your hips or onto the floor. Then reach the arms back. Inhale. Come to Tadasana or mountain pose. Bring the palms together at your heart. And then with an inhalation, stretch the arms up towards the ceiling. Exhale, bend at the hips and come back to Uttanasana or forward fold. Relax the head down. Look forward, extend the chest forward. Hands onto the hips, inhale. Back to Tadasana. Roll the shoulders back and stand up straight. Inhale the arms up as we prepare to sit for utkatasana or chair pose. Draw the navel back and try to descend your hips and buttocks down. Look straight ahead. Then inhale to come up and bring the hands down by your sides. Once more, sitting into utkatasana, abdomen back, arms long. Now lean forward while your legs are bent. Bring the hands down, step the right leg, then the left leg back for downward facing dog. Stretch the arms and legs. Draw the shoulders up as we come forward into a straight armed plank. Reach through your heels, draw the sides of the abdomen up, and then back to downward facing dog. Option to bend your knees and take a quick child pose. Then, when you're ready, once more coming towards the straight armed plank, thighs up, shoulders back, and the navel up, core engaged completely. Back to downward facing dog. Bend your knees and slowly come down. Cross the ankles, then take the hips back and down, and then straighten the legs directly in front of you in Dandasana. Straight arms, straight legs. Bend the legs one at a time and bring the feet towards the hips, preparing for boat pose. Slightly leaning back, lift the heels up and draw the navel back. Stretch the arms in front of you if you can. You can always have the hands behind you and pull the knees in. Then bring the hands down and reset, looking straight ahead. Once more, extend the arms, pull the knees in, try to lift the feet, and come into a tabletop position. Option to have the hands behind you for support. Then tap down with the feet, roll the shoulders back, and take a breath. Arms extended in front, tabletop, or extend the legs up for the full pose. Back to tabletop and down. Yay, we get to lie down now. Lie down with your legs bent and take a breath right here. More core work ahead though. Bend your knees into your chest, draw the navel down, and straighten the legs up towards the ceiling. Work on keeping your lower back down. Option to hold the sides of the mat and pull the mat away. If possible, bring your legs a third of the way down, keeping them straight. Bend the knees in, take a breath. Exhale, legs go straight up towards the ceiling. And if possible, bring your legs a third or halfway down before bending them back in towards your chest. Last one, stretch the legs up as though you're pushing your feet into a wall. Navel down as you bend the legs and then put your feet back on the floor. Rest your hands on your abdomen. You did it. Hold the mat once more as I'm showing and roll your shoulders under. Bring your feet close to your hips. Roll the shoulders under you as you lift your hips and the back of your legs for bridge. Breathe and lift up the tailbone as high as you can. Maintain the work. Slowly descend the hips back down. Take a nice breath. When you're ready, one more bridge, lifting up as high as you can, shoulders under. If possible, lift your right foot and reach the toes up off of the floor, and then quickly bring the right leg down. Inhale, exhale, prepare left leg in and up. Try to lift the hips and the buttocks, and then bring the feet back down. Slowly descend and rest your knees against each other. Good work. Relax the hands to rest on your abdomen. Take the knees gently side to side to release any tension in the hip or in the back. You can spread the arms also wide by your sides. Keep your shoulders and your arms completely relaxed. When you're ready, release the legs one at a time onto the floor. Relax your arms and legs. You may like to support your head with a blanket or a pillow for a little softness. Release and let go the whole body. Observe how the breath tends to flow with a little more ease and freedom after abdominal work. You may wish to bend your knees and once more rest the hands on your abdomen for a few breaths. Soften Release any tension in the back, in the neck, and shoulders. Relax and let go to gravity. Let your facial features become soft and expressionless, the eyes resting towards the socket. When you're ready, gently reach the right arm overhead, roll to your right side, then push with your hands to bring yourself upright into a seated position. Nice work today. I really hope you enjoyed this session, and I hope that you'll join me next time. Thank you for your time and presence. Namaste.